Hello everyone and welcome back. I just wanted to do a bit of an update video from the last video I did for the Weck Jars. I had originally done it with the 1.5 liter jars, but I guess a day or two after I got I did the video, I got the 3/4 liter jar in the mail, so and I think there's one or two things I wanted to mention also that I forgot, so um, yeah, so just gonna do some quick measurements, I guess, with the measuring tape, just in case you're wondering what the size is, because it's a bit. Sometimes it's difficult to see sizes, I guess, on camera or on video. Um, so, one thing, the two tops, the top for the 1.5 liter and the 3/4 liter, the tops are interchangeable. Looks like you can still use the same rubber seals also, and the clamps work for both. Um, so the height of the 1.5 liter is about 8.25 inches, or almost 21 centimeters. I hope it's showing on camera. And going across, it's about 4.25 inches, or about 11 centimeters, and basically the same thing on the bottom, about 4.25, or a bit less than 4.25 inches, and about 10.5 centimeters. For the 3/4 liter, it's about 6 inches tall, and about 15.5 centimeters tall. It's about 4.25 inches going across from the top, and about 11 centimeters going across from the top. And on the bottom, it's about 3.25 inches across, and about, one second, about 8.5 centimeters going across. Excuse me. I know I had mentioned that I'll probably use the 1.5 liter. Excuse me. I know I had mentioned that I'd probably use the 1.5 liter jar to try to do some sourdough starter, but maybe I'll try to do it in the 3/4 liter jar. But if I see it's too small, I'm hoping it's not going to be too small, but if I see it's too small for the 3/4 liter jar for the sourdough starter, I'll probably do it in the 1.5 liter starter. I mean, in the 1.5 liter jar, not a 1.5 liter starter, but I think I did see that there was a 1 liter jar, but I'd have to take a look. I'm not 100%. Um, yeah, for in the last video I mentioned the two jar with the 1.5 liter jars. I think it did come in a pack of two, but I forget what the price was. I think it was a bit over. I think it was around $40. Don't quote me on it. You'd have to check the other video, and I have to check Amazon because I had bought the jars from Amazon. The 3/4 liter jars came in a pack of six, and it came to $37. That was including shipping. The reason I'm saying including shipping is because I have Amazon Prime, where you would normally be charged Prime. They don't charge you Prime if you're paying the annual fee for it. So basically, it came to $37 after taxes and everything for a box of six of the 3/4 liter jars. Offhand, I forget how much it cost for for a box of two of the 1.5 liter. jars. So sorry, I can't speak properly. It's becoming the end of the day. So the reason I ordered them from Amazon, well, Weck is a German company. I know the prices of the jars are kind of expensive, I guess because they have to be shipped over from Europe. But they saw that there's a place in the States. That's the website. I hope you see it. That's the website in the States. But unfortunately, it says that they do not ship internationally, so if you live in the States, it should work for you, but if you live outside the States, meaning Canada and wherever else, unfortunately, they're not going to ship to us. That's why I had ordered the jars off of Amazon. I saw that there was a Canadian website, but I didn't see any Canadian website any options for shipping or ordering or anything. It's as if they're just showing pictures of the different jars and stuff that they had for the company. Not sort of like I guess I was gonna say sort of like a museum, but more of a picture gallery, and instead of making orders and stuff to get the jars. But I don't remember what the price difference was between the American website and Amazon, but yet again, I'm sure the prices on the American website, I'm sure it was in American dollars, and you'd have to probably convert it into a Canadian, so I think even after the conversion, there'd still be a bit of a price difference after exchange, and even if they did for some reason ship to Canada, they'd probably end up being a bit more expensive compared to ordering off of Amazon if you're living in Canada. So, but if you're living in the States, I'm curious to see if there's a price difference between Amazon.com and the Weck Jars website, even after shipping and everything, just to see what the price difference is between Amazon.com and Weck Jars, the company. So, that's it for now. I just wanted to do the quick update. I don't think I'm forgetting anything, but it'll probably pop in my head afterwards, after the video's finished recording. But anyways, thanks again for coming to watch. I'm sorry that, well, at least you guys got to see the 3¼ liter jar versus the 1.5 liter, and I have some other videos coming up soon, so hopefully one of the next ones will be about the sourdough starter, which will be the first time that I'll be doing or trying a sourdough starter. So thanks again for watching, and talk to everyone soon. Bye bye.